A woman who's been out of prison for 2 years has less than 24 hours to turn herself in after the Oklahoma Court of Appeals says that she has to go back to prison to serve her 107-year sentence.
A jury found Kimberly Graham guilty in 2009 of hitting and killing 5 motorcyclists 2 years earlier. She served 12 years in prison before being released based on the Supreme Court's ruling on tribal jurisdiction. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers gives us the update. Ashlyn?
Well, Jonathan and Tatum District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler tells me this whole process, it's been a rough roller coaster ride for the victims' families. He says they deserve actual justice.
After a 2-year taste of freedom, Kimberly Graham is headed back to prison to finish her 107-year sentence.
It's almost as saying, you're in prison, now you're out, oops, we made a mistake, go back to prison.
A Tulsa County jury convicted Graham in 2009 of hitting and killing 5 motorcyclists. Graham was released under a Supreme Court ruling because Graham is Native American. The Muskogee Attorney General charged Graham with 5 counts of homicide and leaving the scene. She's been out on bond pending her request to dismiss the case, arguing the statute of limitations had expired. Graham's convictions and sentences are now reinstated.
The Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals handed down a decision, the Matloff decision, that had said, hey, if you already went through the criminal court process and you appealed your conviction, we're not going to allow McGirt to go so far back to unring the bell of all these prior convictions.
Graham's attorney plans to file a federal appeal.
I'm shocked by it. This is unprecedented. It's not following the law, and the dissenting judges made it very clear that it was lawless, completely lawless. And I think that federal court is a less political arena, and I think that she'll fare better there.
Graham has to turn herself into the county jail by tomorrow afternoon. Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.